Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to send a audio message on your WhatsApp. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to send the audio message on WhatsApp, you just need to first of all, in the bottom you will see an option called this option, which actually the audio option. Just long press it, which actually records your audio like this. So actually it's recording, and you can just put on the lock option on the top, so it will be locked like this, and you can just pause whenever you want and just start the recording again. So by this option you can also, after finishing, you just click on this arrow to send, or you can just delete this recording. I just sent this recording like this, and just hold it, and you can just record. If you are sending a small few seconds of record, if you want to have a longer second, you just lock it, or you don't want this, you just delete it like this. So if you are recording like this, so you don't want to send this particular audio message, you can slide this to cancel the audio message, which actually goes to the dustbin, which actually deleted. So this is how you just record the audio message and send on WhatsApp to your friends. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.